Hello, Saudi Love. Happy birthday kapatid. Happy birthday kapatid. I wish na bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mabang buhay. Ingatan mo ang sarili mo kapatid kasi alam mo, ikaw ang haligi, ikaw ang ilaw ng tahanan. So, magpakatatag ka kapatid bilang kapatid mo. So, nandito lang kami sa likod mo. So, enjoy your life, iwasan ng stress. Saudi Love. Hindi man tayo nagkakilala in person, but naramdaman ko ang kabaitan mo. So, yun kapatid, wala na akong masabi sa iyo. So, I'm happy for you na sana. I wish na makuha ka na ng yung partner forever na kapatid. So, from my bottom of my heart, kapatid, Saudi Love, happy birthday again. God bless and ingat ka lagi dyan sa inyong trabaho. So, yun lang kapatid. Miss you. I hope na magkita tayo in person. Saudi Love.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, kapatid. Good morning, good afternoon, and a pleasant, wonderful day to our Sisi as you passionate celebrating you everyone's a year birthday celebration of yours. In behalf of XOXO and me, let us give you a simple greetings to be always remember. Enjoy your life, more birthday to come, and more blessings to receive. Happy birthday to our very beautiful, lovable, and admirable Sisi Saudi Love. We always here for you. Thank you. Happy birthday once again. Sana Sisi, lagi kang healthy dyan sa trabaho mo. Nandito lang ako palagi na handang makinig kung ano man ang iyong idadaing sa akin. Andito pa rin ako lagi sa'yo. Ingat, ang masasabi ko lang, Sisi, sana mag-ingat ka palagi dyan. Stay connection to your family. Sana mahanap mo na din yung pinaka true love sa buhay mo. Dito lang ako palagi nakikinig sa'yo sa mga daing mo, tawanan mo, pintuhan natin na hindi kung minsan mag-usap tayo kahit madaling araw na abutin tayo ng madaling araw. Diba? Happy birthday. God bless you always. Stay healthy. More birthday to come. And sana magkita tayo in real sa Pilipinas in personal, no? Happy birthday again, Sisi ko. Miss you, love you as a friend. Happy birthday.
Hi po, I'm Izumi and happy birthday Miss Saudela. I hope you're good health and happy life and sana magustuhan mo ang araw na to dahil today is your birthday. Ayan. Thank you so much and happy life Miss Saudela.
Hi po, good morning. I just want to greet for me, admin Miss Love. I know, my Saudi Love, oo. Happy birthday sa'yo, Miss Saudi Love. Sana more birthday to come with you and sana more blessings to come with you. Sana palagi ka lang magpakatatag, maging malusog at syempre higit sa lahat, sana kung ano man yung mga problema na dumaan sa buhay mo or something else other than na kung ano man yung mga pagsubok na dumaan sa buhay mo, sana malalagpasan mo yun at sana hindi lang itong taon na magbe-birthday ka, sana marami pang taon na pagdadaanan mo na birthday at sana habaan pa ni God yung buhay mo dito sa mundo at sana maging successful ang lahat ng mga gawain mo everyday, lalo na sa trabaho mo. Mag-ingat ka lagi, Miss Saudi Love. And by the way, ako po pala si host Sungit from TNS Family, Volume 4, Black Warrior Family, the owner of Volume 4. Then, I just want to greet you again and again. Happy birthday sa'yo and magandang tanghali sa'yo dyan or umaga man dyan sa'yo. Miss Admin Saudi Love, happy birthday to you. Sana bigyan ka pa ng maraming birthday ni God. We love you so much, kapatid. Sana you always healthy and gold health. Thank you po and God bless sa'yo. And hindi ko lang alam kung ilang taon ka na ba, Miss Saudi Love. Basta, ayan na, happy birthday sa'yo. Love all and God bless po sa'yo. Ingat po. Thank you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to
DJSR.com